having a hard time multiplying big numbers just like these people? Well, I'm Bryce Ethan B. Romero of 6 Responsibility. I'd like to teach you a quick and shorter way to multiply numbers. Mom, can you please solve this using the traditional method? 543 times 323. I'll give you 1 minute. The traditional method taught in class is a bit long and will consume more on your pad paper. Let's try this way. I'm going to show you how to do this particular order. Let's have a look at how I work this out using this method. So first, what I did is, you're going to see here we got 6 numbers. Let's use 6 dots to represent. I'll show you what we're multiplying as we go along. The first ones we're multiplying is to get our ones. We're multiplying these two numbers, and that gives us our ones answer. So 3 times 3 is 9. For the next part of our answer, the tens part, where we have tens times the ones and ones multiplied with tens. These are the ways we get tens. So you have 4 times 3, which is 12, and 3 times 2, which is 6. And we're going to add those together. So 12 plus 6 is 18. We put 8 on the tens part. We are going to carry this one across like you would with regular multiplication. So 1 is carried over. For our answer to 100s, we're going to be multiplying hundreds to ones, tens to tens, and ones to hundreds. We're going to add our answers together. So 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 3 is 9. And we're going to add these together. So 15 plus 8 plus 9 is 32. Add the carryover 1, 33. Put the 3 here and carry this one. For the thousands part of our answer, you'll see that we're going to multiply these ones. We have hundreds times tens and tens times hundreds. Both of these giving us the thousands part of the answers. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 here, so it is 25. Put 5 carry over the 2. For the last part of your answer, for the tens of thousands, we're going to multiply the hundreds by the hundreds. So 5 times 3 is 15. Add 2 equals 17. That's our answer, 175,389. The patterns are really important one to get. I'm gonna show you how to multiply things like a 2 by 2 number and the 3 by 3 number. And you can also extend this out for a 4 by 4 and so on. I'm going to show you how you can multiply things where it's not the same. So it's like a 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number or vice versa. Let's see a pattern that you can use. So we have a 2-digit by 2-digit number. To get the ones that we're doing is we're multiplying the 2 ones. Then to get the tens numbers, we multiply the ones by the tens and the tens by the ones. Then to get that hundreds number, we're going to multiply tens by the tens number. With a 3-digit number, to get the ones, we start over here. We go to ones by the ones. To get the tens, we go to tens by the ones and ones by the tens. To get the hundreds, we go hundreds by the ones, tens by the tens, ones by the hundreds. To get the thousands, we go tens by the hundreds and hundreds by the tens. And to get the tens of thousands, we multiply hundreds by the hundreds. Any questions?
So, what if we have a 2-digit by 3-digit number?
Well, let me show you an example. Okay, so you multiply 23 times 341. A little trick is we put a 0 here. So we now have a 3-digit by 3-digit number. 1 times 3 is 3. We have 2 times 1, which is 2. And we have 3 times 4, which is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. So put the 4 down. Carry that little one. We have 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus that 1, there is 18. So I put the 8 down, carry the 1. 0 times 4 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. And 0 times 3 is 0. So the answer is 7,843. You'll be faster if you will get used to this. I hope you like that math trick I shared. Again, this is Bryce Aidan B. Romero, Backset Bonum.